Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tattoo 18. Today we are going to explore new and unique snake tattoo designs, suitable for both men and women, and also understand the powerful meanings behind snake tattoos. Snake tattoos are one of the oldest and most symbolic tattoo designs in the world. From ancient cultures to modern tattoo art, the snake has always represented power, transformation, protection, and mystery. Let's start with the meaning of snake tattoos. A snake naturally sheds its skin. Because of this unique ability, the snake symbolizes rebirth, renewal, and personal transformation. Many people choose snake tattoos when they're going through a new phase in life, leaving their past behind and starting fresh. Another important meaning of the snake tattoo is strength and protection. In many cultures, snakes are believed to be guardians of sacred places and hidden treasures. A snake tattoo can represent a person who is strong, fearless, and protective of their loved ones. Snake tattoos also represent wisdom and knowledge. In ancient traditions, snakes were connected with spiritual awakening and healing powers. That is why snake symbols are also used in medical emblems and spiritual art. Now, let's look at some unique snake tattoo design ideas. One popular design is the coiled snake tattoo. In this design, the snake is curled in a circular shape. This tattoo represents energy, alertness, and readiness to protect. It looks very powerful when placed on the forearm, shoulder, or calf. Another trending design is the minimal line snake tattoo. This design uses simple outlines to create a sleek and elegant snake shape. It is perfect for people who love small, stylish, and subtle tattoos. These tattoos look great on the wrist, finger, or behind the ear. Next is the floral snake tattoo. In this design, the snake is combined with flowers like roses, lotus, or lilies. This combination creates a beautiful balance between danger and beauty. Many women prefer this style because it looks graceful, artistic, and meaningful. A very symbolic design is the snake eating its own tail, also known as the Ouroboros. This ancient symbol represents infinity, the cycle of life, and eternal renewal. It reminds us that life is a continuous journey of ending and beginning again. For those who love large tattoos, the realistic snake tattoo is a stunning option. With detailed scales, sharp eyes, and natural shading, a realistic snake tattoo looks incredibly powerful. These designs are often placed on the back, thigh, or full arm sleeve. Another trending tattoo is the snake with a skull. This design represents the connection between life and death, reminding us that life is precious and time is powerful. Snake tattoos are also very popular in tribal and geometric styles. Tribal snake tattoos represent ancient warrior energy, while geometric snake tattoos symbolize balance, order, and harmony. The great thing about snake tattoos is that they are perfect for all genders. Men often choose bold and aggressive snake designs, while women may prefer elegant, floral, or minimal snake tattoos. But today, tattoo art has no rules. Anyone can choose the design that matches their personality and story. At Swastik Tattoo Studio, we always suggest choosing a snake design that connects with your personality and life story. A tattoo is not just body art. It is a symbol you carry for life. So whether you choose a small minimal snake, a floral snake tattoo, or a large realistic snake design, remember that the snake represents transformation, wisdom, protection, and inner strength. If you enjoyed these new and unique snake tattoo ideas, make sure to like this video, comment your favorite design, and share it with your friends who love tattoos. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tattoo 18 for more tattoo design ideas, tattoo tutorials, and creative tattoo inspiration. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.